You go to bed on time, get your full 8 hours, and yet, you wake up exhausted. Sound familiar? If you're waking up tired despite getting enough sleep, it's not about how long you're sleeping. It's about what's happening while you sleep. Let's break down the 5 real reasons this happens and how to wake up feeling actually refreshed. Hey, welcome to Healscape BDS, where we take confusing health problems and break them down into clear human answers. Today, we're talking about a problem millions face. Why am I still tired after a full night's sleep? Let's dive into the science, the root causes, and simple daily fixes that could transform how you feel in the morning. 1. Poor sleep quality. Not all sleep is equal. 8 hours in bed doesn't mean 8 hours of restful sleep. If your brain isn't reaching deep sleep and REM stages, your body doesn't get the recovery it needs. Common disruptors. Blue light before bed. Noise/light in your room. Caffeine too late in the day. Poor mattress or pillow support. Fix it. Keep your room dark, quiet, and cool. Stop screens 1 hour before bed. Use blackout curtains, white noise, or eye masks. 2. Sleep apnea or breathing issues. You might think you're sleeping, but if you snore, gasp, or stop breathing during sleep, you're constantly waking up without realizing it. This interrupts deep sleep and leaves you foggy and drained. Red flags. Loud snoring. Waking up with a dry mouth. Daytime drowsiness. Despite 7 to 9 hours of sleep. Fix it. Talk to your doctor about a sleep study. Lose excess weight. Try sleeping on your side or elevating your head. 3. Blood sugar imbalance during the night. Eating high-carb or sugary snacks at night can cause a blood sugar crash while you sleep, waking you up briefly without remembering it. This triggers stress hormones like cortisol, leaving you feeling unrested. Fix it. Avoid sweets 2 to 3 hours before bed. Opt for a light protein plus fat snack if needed, like a boiled egg or almond butter. 4. Mental exhaustion or emotional overload. When your brain is overstimulated or stressed, your sleep may feel like shutting down, not recharging. Mental fatigue doesn't always disappear with rest, especially if you're battling anxiety, burnout, or constant overthinking. Fix it. Do a brain dump or light journaling before bed. Practice breathwork or meditation to calm your nervous system. Try 4-7-8 breathing or box breathing. 5. Nutrient deficiencies. If you're low in certain nutrients, your body can't repair itself properly during sleep or produce enough melatonin to regulate sleep cycles. Common deficiencies that affect sleep quality. Magnesium helps with relaxation. Vitamin D regulates melatonin. Iron, B12, oxygen delivery and brain recovery. Fix it. Get tested for nutrient levels. Eat magnesium-rich foods, pumpkin seeds, dark greens. Supplement only if needed, especially magnesium glycinate. Bonus tip: your morning routine affects how you wake up. How you wake up sets the tone for your energy all day. Get sunlight within 30 to 60 minutes of waking. Drink a glass of water before caffeine. Move your body, even just stretching or a short walk. This helps reset your circadian rhythm and naturally boost alertness. So remember, if you're waking up tired despite 8 hours of sleep, it's not about time. It's about quality, biology, and recovery. Small changes can unlock deeper sleep, better mornings, and a more energized life. Comment below, which of these sleep disruptors surprised you most? Like this video if your mornings deserve better. Subscribe to Healscape BDS for smarter wellness that actually works.